Hello, I'm Haley. I'm a sales engineer here at Evolve, and today I'm going to be showing you how we place hangers through Evolve Mechanical. We do have two different methods of placing hangers. First, we have our ITM hangers, and then hanger placements. First, I'll show you ITM hangers. You can go into your settings here. Now, these are going to be rule-based settings where you establish how you would like your hangers to be placed. So over here, you'll see your type, your service, and your material. And then you'll have some additional placement information as well. You can create as many different rules as needed for your project to place these hangers. Over here, you'll find your hanger type itself. So whatever database you have loaded into your project is what will populate here for you to select from. Evolve Mechanical does ship with our Evolve Origin database, so you can populate those here as well to select from. We also have hanger options. Under hanger options, this is where you're going to find our collision adjustment. So there is going to be that embedded collision detection, and through there you will be able to adjust your movement interval and your tolerance. So this will just adjust how it is picking up these clashes. Under embedded configuration, you can come in here and adjust your rod sizes and embed depths based on your embedded configuration. So basically this will adjust your rod adjustments for you. So you can also adjust your deck types as well. We also have some additional embedded options. So under embedded options, here you have the option to include any linked models that you'd like included in your project to detect hangers. It just has to be a Revit linked model. Go ahead and hit OK now. Once you have these project-based settings established, you can transfer them over to other projects so you don't have to worry about having to establish them every single time. But once they are established, you can go ahead and hit ITM hangers, and from here you can window select wherever you'd like hangers to be placed. You can also just select a certain area. Okay, as you can see, it has placed these hangers and it has detected these clashes as well. From here, you can rerun your clash detection tolerance. So you'll get this window asking you what tolerance you'd like to select and hit OK. And as you can see, it got rid of some of the other clashes and still has this clash. So that's going to be the first way of tackling them. The other method we have of placing hangers is hanger placements. So now I can go into our hanger placement settings. And again, these are going to be project-based settings that you can come in and establish. So first and foremost, you'll want to select the type of content that you're working out of. So if it's ITM content, then you can go ahead and hit ITM content. And here you'll see you'll have your hanger selection. Because it's ITM content, it'll be fabrication. And then down here, you'll have some more common settings. So this will apply to how the hangers are actually going to be placed and spaced. And then with the ITM content, you will have these fabrication settings. So from here, you can select your service type, and as well as your hanger type. You also have the ability to change your clash color as well. And then again, you'll have some more collision detection settings that allows you to adjust your collision adjustment. And then we also have the option to place RFA hangers as well. So if you only utilize RFAs, you would want to do it this way. The only difference here is instead of fabrication settings, you're going to be having family settings for the RFA content. As you can see, you'll have your strut configuration down here. So you'll have your run positioning and your associated strut size. From here, it will allow you to change if you would like to run on top or on bottom. And then you'll be able to change the associated strut size as well. And then again, you can come in and change your clash detection color anytime as needed. So that's going to be how you establish these placement profiles. Once these placement profiles are established, you can go ahead and hit hanger placement. From here, it'll ask you to select which profile you would like to work out of. So for this example, I'll do RFAs since we already did some ITMs. And then you'll select your modes here. So you can choose the entire path, change of direction, or a single hanger. For this example, I'll do change of direction. And then you'll just have some more attachment options here of where you'd like your hangers to attach to. So you'll have either your nearest structure overhead, some distance below. If you have a linked model you'd like it to attach to, you also have that option. And then you can also attach it to a reference plane as well. From here, you can go ahead and hit OK. And now you can start placing your hangers. I'm going to ask you where you'd like to initially start placing them. So say we want to place hangers here and hit finish and then choose the direction as well. What it's going to do is utilize those settings that we've established in our hanger placement profiles, and it will place those associated hangers. So as you can see, it placed hangers on this run here, and it did stop at this change of direction just because that is what we indicated it to do. We also have the option now to do rod adjustments. So rod adjustments will apply to ITM hangers. So when you select rod adjustments, you can come in and select a rod and hit finish. And from here, you'll be able to either extend it into the structure or to the reference plane. And then you'll also see here is your rod diameter and your structure insert. So from here, this will allow you to actually select which structure insert you would like per rod diameter. You also can select multiple rods at once as well. As you can see, it plays that associated rod structure insert. And that's how we tackle hangers and supports. Thank you for watching.